My eyes don't see pepper. Yes, my eyes don't see pepper. In my time on earth here, I have seen quite a bit. I'll be sharing that in some other video. But today I'm going to be showing you some pepper. I want you to see some pepper. I'm welcoming you to this channel, Mireju Natural Space and Garden. Mireju is about health and wellness, wholeness, creating the best version of ourselves through gardening, which is what Creating with Mary has been about. I'm just extending it into a proper channel for gardening. So you're welcome again. Subscribe, click the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, and click on the notification bell. There's a notification bell that will help you to get notified for any new video that comes up on this channel to pop up in your news feed, so that you don't get to miss any new video that comes up here. You want to keep being posted, so turn on the notification bell, like the video, and share with your friends. I mean, it's about that time. Everybody knows that it has become imperative for all of us to start this kind of small garden in our homes, because that's the way to go, especially for us women. I mean, that's the way we can be very sure of what we are consuming. On the vegetable level, we are sure of what we are consuming, because we tend to consume that quite a lot. We're mindful of the way we grow it and the way we keep it, so it helps us to stay in health. So I'm showing you pepper right here. Are you seeing some peppers right here? Looking gorgeous. The sun is up. It's been quite a rainy June, and so the sun is up and able to ripen some of these things. So I also harvested on that Sunday. I also harvested some tatashe. So I have some other tatashe ripening, 2 tatashe ripening, and new ones forming. Flowers. Today is Sunday, the 23rd of June 2024. Let me do the victory dance. Yes, because there are some things happening right here in the garden. My peppers are ripening, and my tatashe, oh god, my tatashe is ripening. Have a look. See ripe tatashe in my garden. Big enough tatashe in my garden. Ooh. So my tatashe is ready. It wasn't too long. I came back from church and I saw that my tatashe have all ripened, and I'm super excited to be harvesting tatashe in a sack. Let's harvest it together. These are the tatashe. So I'm harvesting the peppers next. So these are the peppers and tatashe. The long peppers, also some are ripe. I'm going to harvest and have some harvest peppers today. All the harvest at once. So here are long peppers. So let's get to harvest peppers together today. this is the pepper harvested this afternoon. How much do you think this pepper is worth if you're in Nigeria? Kindly share in the comment section and let me know. So here is the pepper harvest this afternoon, Thursday the 27th of June 2024. Tell me how much you think this pepper is worth in the market as at today in Nigeria. So I also harvested some long tomatoes, which I'll be sharing another video, harvest of long tomatoes and how I process long tomatoes for those who are not aware of it. So watch out, there are a lot of interesting content coming up on this channel. You don't want to miss it. For those who say they don't have space, I don't have any space, you can see that quite a number of what I have around this section of the house is not inside the ground, it's in sack. This pepper plant is in a sack right there. All here is cemented. So even if you're living in a rented apartment, don't let it discourage you that you can't have a garden of your own. You can, and you can save your family lots of money and also be very much aware of what you're putting into your body, making sure you're doing organic gardening. If I wasn't to use this, you see how fresh and crispy they look. They can stay on the kitchen counter for weeks without going soft because there's no chemical in the pep. Chemicals make them to come up fast, but then again they degenerate as fast as they come up. So you want to stay tuned. There are lots and lots of tips you get here. Someone reminded me that this is Pepper Dem Gang 2024. So I joined the Pepper Dem Gang in 2023 last year because that was my first time of planting peppers successfully. I shared lots of video of that on Creating with Mary gardening playlist. This channel, Mireju Natural Space, will be exclusively for gardening and gardening tips. So let's go along together. So you're welcome. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you have not done that. Click the subscribe button and like the video. Click the like button to your friends. That it is possible to get tomatoes and peppers right in your own compound wherever you live in Nigeria. Wherever you live in Nigeria, that's a possibility. Only if you know how to do that and you have the desire to do it.